3 gardening tips from an urban farmer. Make your own fertilizer. By delving deep into the soil, comfrey roots amass essential minerals in a form that can be easily absorbed by plants. To obtain a cost-free fertilizer for your garden, just chop the roots into tiny pieces, place them in an unused sock, and immerse the sock in a container of water. Copper tools.
Slugs and snails have blood based on copper, which means they don't have an independent magnetic field and so are more sensitive to the Earth's magnetic force. Using non-copper tools to turn the soil, you will leave a signature in the magnetic field.
Apply worm casting. My worm farm provides the perfect nutrients and adds up a biodiversity of microorganisms to the soil, improve the health and production of plants and soil biology, but also reduce my waste